No more overcooked bland mahi-mahi. I've got 5 tips for the best blackened mahi around. Aloha mai kako, my name is Relle and welcome to my kitchen where I like to share all my favorite Hawaiian and local recipes. And today we'll be making blackened mahi. I've got 5 tips for you to make the best blackened mahi around. So tip number 1, get yourself some fresh mahi. I just went to the farmer's market yesterday and got this, so it's super fresh and yummy. Now, if you can't get fresh, okay fine, you can use freezer. If you're not, in Hawaii where fish are plentiful, that's okay. Tip number 2, you're gonna pat dry your mahi, and this will help the blackening seasoning stick. Tip number 3, use a good seasoning blend, and I've got one right here. It's a little bit of black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, thyme, and salt. So all you gotta do is mix that up, and you can use this seasoning really on anything. Usually there's cayenne pepper in here, but if you know me, my spice tolerance is nearly non-existent, so I didn't add any in here. You can totally add some if you want. If you like it really spicy, add a lot, and if not, not so much. The easiest way I find to do it is to put it onto a plate and kind of spread it around on the plate, and then you can put the fish right onto it. If you were to put the seasoning on here, you see how the plate's a little bit wet? The seasoning's gonna stick to the plate, and we wanna use as much of it as we can on the fish itself. And you just wanna cover as much of it as you can. Now that that's ready to go, our pan is heated up. We'll add our cooking oil of choice. Today we've got some avocado oil, but you can use whatever cooking oil you like. Vegetable, canola, up to you. You want this pan pretty hot because you want it to start cooking and kind of sear the outside pretty quickly. It only takes a couple of minutes on each side. And tip number 4, don't overcook your fish. Mahi can be really dry if you overcook it, so keep an eye on it. Few minutes, flip it, few minutes, and we're good. Then we'll flip it over. It's good to use like these fish tongs because the mahi is so flaky that sometimes it's a little difficult. Grab it from the thicker side. And you just flip it like that. And just a few more minutes on that side. So let some of that excess oil drain off. And tip number 5, let the mahi rest. That's key here. It'll let the juices kind of disperse back through and it'll keep it moist. Now that it's rested, let's take a bite. Oh, look at how juicy that is. Cheers. So good, packed with flavor, flaky, juicy. Mahi is not the only seafood that we love here. We also love salmon. And if you want to see how we make furikake salmon, check out this video here. And until next time, ahui ho!
Thank you for watching my mommy's video.